Okay, we're back at our home build, and we're talking about the Superfloor USA Superfloors. This is in the garage, and we were talking about not having the 4-inch lip on the outside wall like we do right up here. The metal pans sit on a 4-inch lip, so we don't have any issues with them holding weight of the concrete. But when you come to the outside between the last floor joist and the exterior wall where there was no lip, we had an issue with the ability of these little metal bars right here to hold the weight of the concrete. So one of the things the GC has come up with is this system where we're running looks like a 2x6 along the top up there, and then we're just bracing it with the 2x4s, and we're holding in the cross members with the pan on top of it. And now when we go to pour, certain areas, like we have an opening here out through the top, we're actually going to tape all of these seams, and anywhere where you can see a heavy light, we're going to use some type of foam to keep the concrete from pouring through, leaking through and coming down into the bottom level, because this is actually finished concrete, power trowel finished concrete that we're using on the inside, the interior. We're not doing any flooring. We're going to do a polished concrete floors, so we don't want any over, draining down out of the pieces. So the GC is going to tape up all of the seams so that we don't have any of those issues, and use a foam where there's larger areas, so we don't have to worry about that. But that's how we decided to mitigate that gap between the last floor joist and the side wall where there was no lip. So if you're using a Superfloor, or not a Superfloor, if you're using a superior wall, pre-cast concrete walls, in Western North Carolina, it's superior wall or K-wall. We actually used K-wall. Have the 4-inch by 4-inch lip placed all the way around the exterior of the home, not just on the bearing ends of the beams. And you'll negate the need to do this.